Hi friends, I am Syam. Hope you all are doing well. By the end of this video, you will be able to know every detail about NEET 2021. That includes changes in the syllabus, expected competition level, and the difficulty level in the question paper, and the courses offered under NEET other than MBBS and BDS. NEET UG is conducted in 10 Indian regional languages and in English. NEET is currently conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, and till 2018, NEET was conducted by CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. NEET UG replaced APMT. Though there is no change in the pattern of the examination and the syllabus, the only difference we can find during counseling. Only 15% of the seats are allotted through APMT. But in NEET, 100% of the seats are allotted, but through different counselings. 15% through All India quota and 85% through different state counselings. After the appearance of NMC Act 2019, NEET UG is the only test for admissions into all the medical colleges in India. That includes AIIMS and JIPMER. But prior to NMC Act 2019, AIIMS and JIPMER have their own entrance examinations. AIIMS and JIPMER. Keep it in mind, we will speak about it later. Format of the exam. You will get 25%, that is 45 questions from chemistry and 45 questions from physics and 90 questions from biology. Never and ever read biology as botany and zoology. You won't get 45 questions from botany and 45 questions from zoology. You will get 90 questions from biology, remember that. And going into the marking scheme, for every correct answer, you will get +4 marks. For every incorrect answer, you will get -1 mark. So, one can get a maximum of 720 marks. And there is also a chance to get -180 marks. Next, qualifying percentile and application fee. For unreserved, it is 50th percentile. For unreserved, physically challenged, it is 45th percentile. For SC, ST and OBC, it is 40th percentile. For SC, ST, OBC, physically challenged, it is also 40th percentile. And then coming into the application fee, for unreserved, it is 1500. For unreserved, EWS category, and for OBC, it is 1400. And for SC, ST, transgenders, and for person with disability, it is 800. So this is the qualifying percentile and this is the fee. Syllabus. As we all know, the contents of the NCERT textbook is the syllabus for NEET. But this year, NCERT has deleted 30% of the syllabus. So majority of the students are in greater confusion. For now, you just skip the contents that has been deleted from the NCERT textbook and wait for the official announcement from the NTA. After the official announcement from the NTA, we can truly decide whether to delete it or to include it. So for now, you just skip it, just not to waste your time. But mostly the higher chances are there to delete the same syllabus from the NEET 2021 which has been deleted from the NCERT textbook. But remember, this is not for the students, those who are going to appear NEET 2022. They have to study complete syllabus from the NCERT. After the NMC Act 2019, AIIMS and JIPMER were included in NEET UG. So, students are worried about the difficulty level of the question paper. But after looking at the question paper, the difficulty level of the NEET 2020 and NEET 2019, 2018, everything is same. So you need not to worry about the difficulty level of the NEET 2021 question paper. So it is so clear that it is as simple as the NEET 2020 and NEET 2019. Expected competition. If we observe the competition from 2017 to 2020, in 2017, 11,38,890 students appeared. In 2018, it is about 12,69,922. In 2019, 14,10,755. In 2020, as per the tweet of our Education Minister, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, it is about 85 to 90% of the students who have applied for the exam are attempted NEET 2020. So in NEET 2020, it is about 14,37,689 around students have appeared for NEET 2020. So in NEET 2021, the competition may rise up to 15,20,000. The only competition for me is the person I was yesterday. So never make the number as competition. The only competition for you is you. You must take care of yourself. You must upgrade yourself. You must learn the things so that you can be in the track. Courses under NEET. MBBS and BDS. But there are also some other courses under AYUSH Ministry. They are BAMS, BNYS, BUMS, BSMS and BHMS. You may know the names of these courses, but you may not aware of the subjects under the course and the life after pursuing the course. So I will make a video about every course to give you an idea so that you can go for the course that you like. And along with these courses, you can also go for BVSC, that is Bachelor of Veterinary Science under NEET examination. But this is only for 15% of the All India quota. Hope you got some clarity about NEET. If you still have any doubts, don't hesitate to leave a message at Instagram, Facebook or in Twitter. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.